Good evening, this is Derek Thomas, KSCU TV News, reporting to you live from Google headquarters in Mountain View, California. Today we're here with Stephanie Boris, one of the Googlers, or smart creatives, on behalf of Jim Skinner's infamous software project management class at Santa Clara University. We borrowing some of Stephanie's time to get a little insight into how Google works. Specifically, Stephanie, can you tell us how does Google go about releasing new products?
It's a good question, and we'd love to answer it. We love Jim Skinner's class here. We talk about it all the time at Google. Basically, to release a new product, we want to get something out there quickly, but we know it's not going to be perfect right off the bat. So what we do is ship and iterate. What that means is we get a high quality, low feature product out there. We let the users, get used to it, find things that we can improve, and then we go back and make improvements. We usually like to add a wow feature after it as well, and that's what our users have gotten used to from us.
Wonderful. What are some of the challenges to this approach?
Well, a big challenge is, everyone gets excited to release something new, and then when it comes to going back and iterating, that is hard to motivate people to get on.
How do you solve that problem?
Well, a lot of times, we use criticism. We have to, it's a fine line. We make sure that we're doing it in a way so we motivate people that don't want to be part of a problematic product.
Wonderful. Do you have an example?
Yeah, with Google Chrome, we actually quietly released it. It was very high quality, but it was a low feature product. We got up to 70 million users, and we decided to throw some fuel on the fire with marketing, and the rest is history.
Wonderful. Now, Google Chrome was a success story. What happens when the product is a flop?
It does happen. We had a product called Google Wave that was supposed to be life-changing, and it really just didn't go anywhere. But, we learn from that. We do something, what we like to call failing well. And what that means is we fail quickly. We saw that this product was not going to work. We pulled the plug right away. And we made sure that the team that worked on the product was not stigmatized. They were highly recruited within Google. And the product itself, we were able to take some valuable pieces from it and resurrect it in other ways like Gmail and things like that. So we want to make sure that we're starving the losers, feeding the winners. We're not throwing good money after bad, no matter how much we've invested in it before. And we know that good judgment comes from experience, and experience comes from bad judgment.
Wow. Well, thank you very much, Stephanie. That was some very good insight on how Google works. Hopefully that's beneficial for Jim Skinner's class. Now, this is Derek Thomas reporting live from Google headquarters. Back to you, Jim, in the classroom.